In this video, I'll show you how to create and add sounds to TikTok. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Creating and adding your own sound to TikTok is a lot easier than you probably think, and it's really cool because it means you can go and use the sound and other people can also go and use it as well. And also, this guide is going to work on all different types of devices. So basically, if you didn't know, to go and add a sound to TikTok, what we need to do is go and upload it as a video. So you need to go and get that sound as a video on your phone. So if you've got like a sound file, then what you need to do is merge that with like a video editing software, maybe like CapCut. Or if you have like a sound, you could always go and screen record it as well, because when you screen record, it's also going to include the audio as well. Or you could literally just go and record it on your phone. So once you've gone and got the sound in the video, then all you need to do is go and tap on the upload button in the bottom of TikTok, or the create button like this. And then here we are, and all you need to do is go to the bottom right and tap on upload and allow access to your photos. I've now gone and added the video with the sound which I want to go and use as a sound on TikTok. So then all I'm going to do is publish this on my account. Now, if you're probably thinking I don't want this on my main feed, then what you can do is go and post this on an alt account. However, in my case, I'm happy for it to be on my feed. Then all you need to do is go to your profile like so, and here it is, the video is now uploaded. So I'm going to go and tap on it. Then what you need to do is go and tap on that sort of moving disc in the bottom right like this, and here is the sound. As you can see, there's only one post using it, the original one. So go and tap on add to favorites like so, just so it makes it easier to go and then use it. You can also go and tap on use the sound at the bottom as well, or you can just go and tap on the create button at the bottom like this, and then you can go and tap on add sound at the top and wait for it to load. And then what we can do is go to favorites, then tap on it and tap on the tick, and there we go. I'm now using this sound and I can go and record a video using this sound. It's really awesome, and there we go. And that's it, guys. I could then go and do whatever I want with this video and post this other video using the sound itself. And as I said before, other people can also go and use it as well. If you guys found this video useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.